Are you sick?
What do you mean, bro?
This guy keeps coming here every 2 hours. Every two.
Check on progress, bro.
I know it is. It is progress. He's putting the bumper on right now.
Documenting it, bro. It's going on YouTube. What more progress do you want?
Yo.
Okay.
RDB Moses.
I'm not joking. We're gonna try to have it ready by 5:30. We're trying, but I don't want to promise you. We're trying. We're trying our best.
Listen, I'm gonna have you bring the Maybach at 5:30.
No, don't bring anything until I call you. See, this is your problem. We're not playing Monopoly here. We're not playing Connect 4. This is a full build. It takes time. It's huge. It's like a big thing. You keep sending this guy every hour to check up on the car. Why?
Moses, do me a favor. Put one of the rims on. Let me see how it looks if I can change the rims.
I just put them on. What do you mean?
You're gonna text me a picture from your cell phone?
Yes, yes.
You hear that noise? Like a... Oh.
We have two Uruses over here. This one belongs to somebody super famous. We're doing a wide body kit. We just wrapped it in the satin silver color, which is very trendy right now. We've done it, but not in the wide body. Kit is getting painted right now. Customer wants it painted before install, or else we'd be done with it. But it's getting painted, and then we're gonna install it as well. Over there's another Urus. That one is actually getting wrapped in like the Nardo Grey color. Really cool thing about that Urus, it has that baseball glove brown interior. Really, really sick interior. That's the only other interior I would choose for my Urus if I didn't have that red on black. Really dope. So it's gonna be Nardo Grey with that brown. That car had a little bit of an accident in the front, nothing major. We fixed it, and the customer decided to wrap it while it's here. And there you have it. So many more Uruses in the parking lot. We have many big projects coming up, many huge names involved as well. So stay tuned so you see who's involved. We're doing a lot of big things. Dancing? What are you doing?
What talking about?
We both know you don't need to do all of that. It's done. That's it.
Hey, I don't think it's a fan.
Oh man, he buys parts from them.
Which company?
Thank you for choosing to use OPS tracks for your price match needs. If you ever need any assistance, please contact Andrew.
Hey, he thought I was a fan.
Yeah, but they still send me candies. Look, that's how much they love me.
How sad are you? You have to actually work late today?
I always work late.
Everything was tighter again.
I know you like it.
Oh, he's painting the Urus wide body flares, huh? Next video, guys, you're gonna see that Mclaren completed. Very excited about this Mclaren because it's very different and it's gonna be super clean. So, next video. Sarkis is working a little bit extra today. As you can tell, he's very upset. Usually by 4:30, he's just half asleep. So he's an hour and a half into his bedtime.
Big. What time you go? You have nothing to do. Where you go?
When I go home, I still work, unlike you. When you go home, you eat your enchilada and your pupusas and whatever you do.
Yeah, no chicken
home, he bathes into some cologne. He dives into a bath of cologne, puts on his Hawaiian dress shirt and his snake loafers, and he goes out. Alright guys, we just finished up that Urus. This is that beautiful Nardo Grey type color. Looks amazing. It's a bone stock Urus, realistically, but it's got the right 23-inch wheels and the color now and that interior. So Nardo Grey, yellow calipers, and that baseball glove interior looks incredible. This is a completely different vibe than the wide bodies we do and all those, and honestly looks really clean in a full Nardo Grey color. So really dope. Customer's waiting. He's gonna take it right now.
I can dance too.
with y'all, man. Yeah. What's up, man? Hey, come get some footage of it.
You wanna have some fun? Come on, check it out. You wanna be in video?
What kind of video?
YouTube for RDB?
Oh, that was a YouTube video.
You wanna be? Yeah. Jack Daniels, papas. ¿De dónde venís? De Miami.
Thanks for holding. I can help you.
Yeah, how much do you guys charge for oil change?
Rolls Royce Wraith?
Yeah.
$550.
And you can, how long does it take to get done?
I can do it for you tomorrow. We are full today.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you.
$500?
Yeah.
Bro, that's
how
cheap.
much?
If you go to royalty, it's like 5,000.
Really?
Yeah.
No, dealership's like 1,500.
It's 5,000 without filter and everything.
It's not 5,000.
It is.
He has no idea about anything.
How much is the X6 oil change?
1,500.
1,500?
So how is it possible for the X6 is 1,500?
It's not.
It is.
It's not.
X6M is 1,500.
It's not.
Brake
Not.
is like 5,000.
Okay, let's call the BMW dealership and let's
Okay,
ask
let's
him how much regular service
He
is.
is the one.
Oil
Sit
change
down.
and filter. Come. So I'm gonna teach you guys that he has no idea what he's talking about. An oil change for a Rolls Royce will cost you about $650, and a routine annual, all year long maintenance, the annual maintenance is $4,000 all year long. So an oil change for a McLaren, Rolls Royce, any high end car, whatever, is $650 to $1,500 max. Not $5,000 that Sarkis says 5,000. I don't know where he got $5,000 from. There's no way. So he's arguing with
Hold
me.
on. So who are you gonna believe? What is this? It's not even a person.
Okay, these are facts.
Which facts?
These are facts.
Who did it? Name the company.
These
Which
are
Rolls
facts.
Royce? Which company?
Here.
But which company?
Does it cost $5,000 to do an oil change?
Hi, I have a quick question. I have a 2021 BMW X6M competition. How much is the oil change? And the oil change and the filter?
That would be advised by the service advisor.
It used to be easy back in the days to get a price. Now you have to go through 50 million people to get pricing. That's why you just call RDB. It's easy. We priced you guys out immediately. I mean, very simple. You guys need wrap jobs? No problem. We know the price. You guys need mechanical? We know the price. You guys need body work? We know the price. Yeah. So I mean, it's really quick, and we don't tell you guys. We don't tell anybody to call back. Hold. If it's not available, well, you got to try back. We don't do that. We have great service, customer service. That's what it's about. Sarkis doesn't care. He's trying to prove me. He's trying to prove me wrong.
For holding, I tried contacting all of them. None of them answered my call, so I will transfer you to one of them to leave a voice.
No, it's okay. Thank you. I will find another dealer. Just lost the customer. So G-Wagon, it was made for military, and then few people bought it, got famous. You cannot drive the car like 120, 130, 140. You have to be a really, really good driver to drive that car.
Like you did.
Yeah. I drove a G-Wagon. I was going 100. And you were like feeling the shake of the like steering wheel, like crazy shake. So those cars, it's really nice. It's a one of a kind. Like you don't see a G-Wagon passing next to you like 120, 100. Like how my accident happened? Someone like tried to make a right turn. If it was like a G-Wagon, we would like flip over right away. They say the new one is better handling, so I never tested, so I don't know. But the old one is the weirdest G-Wagon. Like, it's the scariest G-Wagon.
Alright.
Corona time?
Modelos, homie.
We should jump this guy because of he's making us wait. We should jump him.
Yeah, we're waiting for him. Get out, no.
I say in Spanish, we're gonna jump you.
Lo vamos a brincar.
Okay. So we're gonna jump you.
Didn't say what he said.
Hey, lo vamos a brincar cuando salga, homie. Porque lo estamos
You're dead.
esperando hasta que ya.
You're making us wait.
Sí. No me voy por usted. Dice que sí. He said yes, it's okay.
you jump
Yeah. But you go first.
Sure. Because I'm the manager, that's why.
Just in case you need a help.
Take it, yeah.
Just in case you need a help.
This was in the SWAT team.
No, special forces.
Yeah, SWAT team.
Yeah, special forces knows about eating whatever he has
Hold
to
on, let me
eat.
ask you a question. How did you get that pen? I'm looking for this pen almost from yesterday.
Nah.
Yes.
I buy the other day. I give you a nice
This one, I will tell you it's my pen or not. I have a signature there. No. This is my pen. This is my signature. You know how it's my pen?
Oh, that's what I give it to you? Oh shit.
That's my.
What is that?
Where did you get this pen from?
What's in my toolbox all the time.
No, this is a new one.
No.
Yes, right there.
I don't use it, bro.
Hold on. I'll say this one of them.
I've been getting